Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off Google Maps voice, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off Google Maps voice, guys, first open up the Google Maps application on your phone. And now on this interface, guys, you can see at the top right corner of the screen, there's your profile picture icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear. Now you can see the settings option available for us over here. Tap on the settings option at the bottom of the screen, which is just above the help and feedback, and over here scroll down until you can find the navigation settings option available for us. Tap on navigation settings, and over here you can see in order to turn off Google Maps voice on this interface, here is the sound and voice from the Google Maps. You can see there it says the muted state, and as there is the guidance volume. Now in order to turn off Google Maps voice, tap on the muted side over here, and then the voice from your Google Maps will be turned off like this. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn off Google Maps voice. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.